Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform your videos by changing the background of the video in CapCut apps. So here I have a video with a solid color background and I want to change it into something more interesting. So here first I'm going to remove the background, so click on the video on the timeline and go to the remove bg menu, this one, and I'm going to just use the auto removal to make it quick. So now the background is removed. Click on the check icon, and to add a new background into this video, go back and find the background menu in here, and I'm going to just use image. Okay, so in here there will be lots of background preset that you can use for your videos, or if you have an image on your own, you can just upload it into CapCut by clicking on the plus icon. So I'm going to just use this one, click on the check icon, and now this is the new background for my video. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.